Hello friends, this is a new video from Vedic-Astro.in, and today we will understand how we use transit chart or a Gocha chart into our Lagna chart. Okay, so ideally what we need to do is we need to check where our moon is placed in our Lagna chart. Okay, so then we need to change our Lagna chart and we need to go to our moon chart. Okay, and then we need to place the current transit. Okay, so right now you can see this is our Lagna chart. Okay, and in this is a Pisces ascendant, and we can see the moon is in 10th Rashi, which is Capricorn, right? You can see here it shows as Capricorn. So now if we see this shows a current transit. Okay, so now we need to know how we can really place the transit into the chart. It basically we need to place it in moon chart, then we can do the further predictions. Okay, so for that what you need to do is it's very simple. What you need to do, you need to change this chart to moon chart. Okay, so what I will do is I will select here and go to moon chart. Okay, so now you will see the difference. After I select this, you can see this becomes ascendant now. Okay, so the Capricorn became ascendant as of now, so because moon is in Capricorn. Okay, so now the whole chart revolved and this is a moon chart. Okay, so now we need to place the transit planets. Okay, let's say if we see the 10th. Okay, so we will see in this chart, is there any planet that is in 10th? Okay, and then we can go to 11th. You can see in the 11th there is Ketu, so this is 11th. Okay, so we need to consider Ketu in the second house from moon. Okay, and in the opposite side if we see 11th, and then Rahu and Mercury is in the 5th. Okay, so then we will place Rahu and Mercury here in the 5th, which is the 8th house from moon. Okay, so like this we need to place each and every planet here in the transit chart from the moon chart, so that we can understand, okay, this is the event which can be considered according to the transit chart, and we can place it like that. Okay, so what I can do is I can try to draw the planets into this moon chart, and I will remove uh, these current placements so that you can have a good understanding how we can do it. Okay. Okay. So I have created this moon chart. Okay. So right now you can see the moon is in Capricorn. So I've created a moon chart and I've removed the natal placement of the planets. Okay. So now you can see this is our moon chart. Okay. Now what I will do is I will place the current transit. If we go to the current transit, you can see this is the current transit, and I will place each and every planet which are there in the Rashi. Let's say in the 5th Rashi there is Mercury and Rahu, and in the 4th Rashi you can see Sun and Mars, and in the 3rd Rashi you can see Venus. So I have placed it like that. Okay, let me show them. So this is how you will place the planets. So now you can see in the 4th Rashi there is Sun and Mars, and from the moon chart they are placed in the 7th house. Okay, and from the moon chart if we see the Ketu is in the 2nd house, Rahu and Mercury is in the 8th house. Okay, and Venus in the 6th house, and Jupiter in the 9th house, and Saturn is in the 11th house, and moon is obviously moving in the 4th house. Okay, so this is how you will create a moon chart and place the current transit, so that you can say it's a transit or a gochar which you can place, and you will understand and do the prediction on the Vedic aspects, how the things are happening and how the things would be for that particular jatak. And this is how you will place transit to the moon chart. Okay, so if you have any questions, you can shoot out to the comment sections. I will be happy to answer them. And if you want to take a consultation, you can have the numbers right below and you can take the consultation as well. So thank you very much. Do like this particular video if you like it, and also subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.